In this video, I'll show you how to get paid $5 per minute typing CAPTCHA, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it, we're about to find out. This is how to type words to get paid. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting a value out of this video, consider subscribing with a notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In this way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Enjoy it. Do you remember those pages and websites that have those little boxes that say we need to verify if you're a human? Type what you see. Usually there are letters or numbers that are all jumbled, but still they're pretty easy to read. Imagine if there's actually a website that would pay you to fill all those little boxes. And guess what? There are 3 trending websites right now that pay people hundreds and hundreds of dollars to fill out all CAPTCHAs. In that way, you can earn money online just by typing simple words. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below I am from blank, your country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get back to the video. There are 3 steps to this strategy that you should follow to get paid $5 per minute by just typing CAPTCHAs online. The first step is I will reveal the top 3 websites that pay us to type CAPTCHAs. The second step is I will show you the fastest way to cash out on these websites. And the third step is I will show you a new method that could help you to earn more money than anyone else. Now the first website that we are going to talk about today is called tocaptcha.com. This website is not the highest paying website, but later I'll show you one that pays the most. So be sure to stick around because I'll be ranking this from the lowest paying website to the highest paying one. I guarantee that you would definitely want to get started with this because you can earn a lot of money with this method. In continuation, this is a very good website to get started with. As you can see here, solved CAPTCHA starting from $0.5 for 1000 solved CAPTCHAs. There are a lot of businesses out there that are running on computers, and as we all know, computers can't solve these kinds of CAPTCHAs, but humans can. Which is why they use this to make sure that we're not robots, so they will need to figure the CAPTCHAs out for them. You can get paid instantly, and this is a very easy way to get started with. There are no experiences or special skills needed. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate if you guys tap the like button and make sure to subscribe with notifications on. And if we get 2000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuffs like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. The second website on the list is called megatypers.com. As you can read it here, easy job, easy money, earn typer credits worth over $200 every single month by just typing CAPTCHAs. This website is very credible. They have people all over the world who join their website to solve CAPTCHAs. Again, this is only the second highest paying website that pays us money by solving CAPTCHAs. And now the highest paying one is called kalotibablo.com. As you can see right here, stable job for everyone and everywhere in the world. So this one is also available worldwide. You can also see here that this website has been working and paying its users even since 2007. They are very accurate in tracking your progress and payment because they have an accurate statistics systems in place. The best part is that they are paying users instantly through different payment options. And if you scroll down, you can find there are a lot of people around the world who express the testimonials about the website on how they can earn with it and how convenient to use this website is. If you want to learn more about these kinds of websites that pay you money by just typing CAPTCHAs, you can go over to moneyconnection.com. This platform will show you even more websites in which you can earn more money with the exact same method, which is typing CAPTCHAs. And that's exactly how you get paid by just typing CAPTCHA. And now if you want to earn even more money, check the first link in the description down below to discover how to earn $200 per day using a free bot, which is one of the best ways to make money online this year 2021, which anyone, even without previous experience, can do. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. This is USF Videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. As always, I'll see you in some of the next videos.